Test 1, sound recorded directly into the camera. Hi, I'm Chrissy Notes. I'm with Real Sisters Talent. I'm 4'11", and I enjoy riding motorcycles and handling firearms. Second shotgun test, this time on normal. Chrissy Notes with Real Sisters Talent. I am 4'11", and I am trained with tactical firearms. This is test 3, handheld mic, mic's facing out. Hi, I'm Chrissy Notes. I'm with Real Sisters Talent. I'm 4'11", and I enjoy riding my motorcycle as well as doing stunts. This is handheld mic, test 2, mic's inside. Hi, I'm Chrissy Notes. I'm with Real Sisters Talent. I'm 4'11". I enjoy riding my motorcycle as well as kickboxing.